Okay, good day everyone. I am going to give you a top 5 best health insurance for you and your family. Before we start, we have to know what is exactly an health insurance and why is it so important in our daily lives. Okay, so health insurance is actually important in our daily lives because it protects us financially from high cost of medical care. Okay, so it ensures that people and family can obtain vital healthcare treatments without worrying about higher cost or even financial costs. Okay, so encouraging you to regular checkups and medical attentions. Health insurance supports preventive care and early intervention and contributing to better overall health outcomes. Additionally, it provides peace of mind by lowering the worry and anxiety connected with prospective medical bills. And yeah, and for short, extensive health insurance coverage helps to build a more resilient and fair healthcare system and promoting a healthier and more productive society. So that is the importance of the health insurance in our daily lives. So in the next part here is that we're going to talk about the top 5 health insurance companies that you can actually uh, uh, join and even have a membership if you want to for your own healthy lifestyle. Okay, so without further ado, let's go ahead and go to hioscar.com, which is H for health insurance oscar.com. Okay, so in the healthinsurance.com or in the health insurance of Oscar, it is actually a health insurance company that focuses on leverage technology to simplify the healthcare experience. So keep in mind the features and services may change over time. So it's recommended to visit the official Oscar Health website or this website. So if you have any curiosity on on the health insurance Oscar, you can go ahead and go to this website. Just go to your browser and click and type hioscar.com. So let's go ahead and tackle about the features of the Oscar. So first features we have is the telemedicine services. So Oscar Health has offered you a virtual healthcare services. So allowing members to consult with healthcare professionals through video calls and other online communication tools. You don't have to go to a physical healthcare facilities. Rather they have also offer here and services here where you can actually have a healthcare services provided through a video call or online. So you don't have to go. So if you are worrying about going to faraway places or faraway medical facilities of Oscar, you don't have to don't go there, but rather you can actually have a virtual care. Okay, so for the next one is we have the easy access to health information. Okay, so Oscar actually helps you or focus on providing its members with easy access to health information in resources. So this actually includes features like user-friendly mobile app or online portal of where members can find information about their coverage and health related. So you can go ahead and download on the Oscar applications here and just go see what is the offers here of your for your healthcare. Okay, so yeah. So the next feature we have is the personalized concierge services. So Oscar has aimed to provide personalized supports to its members through a concierge service. So this may involve assisting members in finding healthcare providers, scheduling appointments, and even answering questions about their insurance coverage. So that is good for you, no? So uh and yeah, okay. So Another thing about the Oscar is that they have actually a wellness programs. So some health insurance plans from Oscar Health have included wellness programs to design to promote healthy lifestyle among members. So these programs may offer incentives, participating in activities that contributes to overall well-being, such as fitness activities and preventing screenings. Okay, and lastly, we have here is the and lastly we have is the transparency in pricing and coverage. So let's go ahead and find for the okay, so this one. Okay. So, in Oscar Health has emphasized transparency in pricing and coverage details. Okay. So, actually, this includes providing clear to understand information about the costs associated with uh, with medical procedures such as prescription drugs and other healthcare services, and even helping members make informed decisions about their health care. Okay, so that is all for this Hi Oscar, and now we have to go for the top four of our best insurance company. So we have here is the Blue Cross Blue Shield. So for the first feature is they have the extensive providers network. Blue Cross Blue Shield or BCBS typically offers a broad network of healthcare providers, including doctors, hospitals, and even specialists. Okay? This extensive network provides members with a wide range of choices when it comes to seeking medical care. So when it comes to when you are in the Blue Cross Blue Shield or BCBS, you don't have to worry of referrals because they will give you a referrals on the go. So another here is we have here a wellness program such as for the High Oscar. Okay, so BCBS plans include wellness programs and incentives to encourage preventive care. And it actually includes discounted gym membership, access to wellness resources, and coverage for preventing services such as vaccination screenings. Okay. And last, another one is also just like Oscar, they also have a mobile app tools and online tools. So PCBS provides online tools and mobile app to help members manage their health insurance benefits. These platforms may offer features like virtual ID cards, claims tracking, and provider directories to easy access of informations. Okay? The next one is that they have also a telehealth services. BCBS plans have increasingly incorporated telehealth services to allow members to consult with healthcare professionals remotely. So this can be especially valuable to minor health concerns or when in-person visits are not visible. So just like Oscar, they also have a online tool where you can actually have a video call or even a chat or yes, more over on video calls for you to check ups and ask for a specialist or doctors. And lastly, we have a care coordination and case management. So PCBS plans offer care coordination and case management services for members with complex healthcare needs. Okay, so it involves assistance in navigating the healthcare systems, coordinating multiple aspects of care, and ensuring the members receive the appropriate services. Okay, and that's a good thing about the PCPS, which is especially if you have any a very crucial situations on your health. Okay, so the next insurance company is the Aetna, which is a very another popular insurance company. Similar to other insurance company, they also have expansive providers network. So they typically offers a wide network of healthcare providers, including doctors, specialists, hospitals, and even healthcare facilities. So this network gives members the flexibility to choose from a variety of healthcare professionals. So you can choose a lot of healthcare professionals and whoever you want, especially under credibility if you are willing or if you are comfortable with. Okay. Just like BCBS and Oscar, they also have a telehealth and virtual care. So they actually provides a telehealth service, allowing members to consult with healthcare providers remotely through video calls and virtual platforms. Another for on the just like PCBS and Oscar, they also have a wellness programs and incentives. So uh, they actually provide more on um, uh, they actually provides incentive encourage healthy lifestyles among its members. These programs might include resource for fitness, nutrition, and stress management, as well as incentives for participating in wellness activities. Okay, so yeah. So another one here, just like TBCPS and just like other platforms or insurance company, they also have an online tools and mobile apps for you to have a virtual insurance coverage, or even reviewing coverages and plans. Okay, and of course they have care management and coordinations. And they also offers a care management and coordinations services for which members and with complex healthcare needs. And yeah, that's for the AITNA, which is actually typically same with other insurance companies. Okay. Okay, so for the next one, we have here the Kaiser Permanente. So, it first features that they can actually have is the preventive and wellness services. Other platforms such as other platforms, they also have a preventive care and wellness. So members have access to a range of preventive services, including vaccinations, screenings, and even health assessment. The goal here is to identify and address potential health issues before they become too serious. So, if you have a plan, so if you are planning for if you have actually a potential, if you feel something different in your body, in your health, and that could potentially that could actually worries you, go to a Kaiser Permanente, and they can actually help you a lot. So the next features that they have is the pharmacy services. So they provide comprehensive pharmacy services, including access to a network of pharmacies, maybe all the prescriptions, services, and online tools for prescription management. Okay, so that's actually a lot. They can actually give you a lot of wellness a services when it comes to pharmacy services. Okay, so the third one is we have the behavioral health integration. So what they offer here is integrate behavioral health services with primary care, recognizing the importance of addressing both physical and mental health. So members may have access to mental health professionals, counseling service, and resources to support overall well-being. Okay, so that's actually a very good feature for the Kaiser Permanente. Another one here is the member education and resources. So they also the Kaiser Permanente strives to empower you and with health educations and resources. This actually includes online resources, educational materials, and classes on various health topics. So you, aside from actually getting health advice, you can actually learn a lot of things here in the Kaiser Permanente. They will provide you a very good online educational modules and materials. Okay, and lastly, they have a 24/7 nurse advice line. So in the plans of Kaiser Permanente, they also have a 24/7 nurse advice line. So it provides members with access to registered nurse who can offer guidance on health concerns, answer medical questions, and even providing recommendations for appropriate care. Okay, this service can be particularly be available for non-emergency situations. Okay, so yeah, and that's for the that's actually all for the Kaiser Permanente. Well, if you have questions, well, if you have questions of the plans here in Kaiser Permanente, you can go here and go for the shop their plans, and actually they can answer your questions. Okay. So the next one, there are some, there are actually some forbidden websites, and actually you can. However, if you go ahead and go to a Cartier Permanente like services, they can actually provide you a lot of um services and offers. Okay, so the next one here is we have the United Healthcare. So for the first feature they have here is the personal health supports and advocacy. Okay, they actually offers personalized health support services that provides members with assistance in navigating healthcare systems. Okay, so this include guidance on finding providers, understanding benefits, and addressing any issues or concerns related to your health care. Okay, so there's a lot of things that you can actually see on the United Healthcare, which actually gives you a lot more perspective on which one is actually to use and to choose a better plan. So they have a second opinion services, which is a new for for this medical insurance company. Okay, so some plans of United Healthcare plans may provide access to second opinion services. So these features allow members to seek additional medical opinions from qualified specialists. Okay, so you don't have to worry about or worrying about a lot of things that you don't have to worry about. Sorry, you don't have to worry about asking for guidance of a random specialist, but rather you can have still a medical opinions or second opinion from other qualified specialists when facing complex or serious health conditions and contributing to informed decision making about your healthcare, about their healthcare. Yeah. So, of course, just like other platforms, they also have virtual visits and online consultations. Okay, so it allows members to consult with healthcare professionals online for certain non-emergency medical conditions. They enhance access to care and may be convenient for routine consultations. Okay, and for the fourth, we have a health and wellness incentives. Of course, just like other programs and other platforms, they also have a wellness programs and incentives for you to prevent for you to have a better related goals and achieving health related goals, engaging in fitness activities and wellness programs, and even more. So, and lastly, we have the chronic condition management programs. United Healthcare may offer specialized programs for managing chronic health conditions. These programs provide additional support, resources, and coordination of care for members dealing with conditions such as diabetes and heart disease or even asthma, which is a very serious problem in our daily needs. So, and that is all for the top five of that is all for the top five best healthcare features uh, insurance companies. Okay, so sorry. So if you're looking for my own perspective, I would say for best of Medicare Advantage plans, it is actually a United Healthcare. And for the best for Minute Clinic, it is actually a Aetna. Okay, for higher quality plans, it is Kaiser Permanente. Okay? And for the best value plans, it's actually Oscar. And lastly, for best overall, the best overall that you can actually plan or can actually choose of insurance company, it is actually a PCBS or the Blue Cross Blue Shield. And that is all for this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned a lot for this medical insurance company. And I hope this helps you uh, to choose which one or which insurance companies you can actually choose. Again, thank you for watching and have a good day.